I thought you said you want to do something special.
No.
You didn't say cook it?
I can't. I don't have my stuff. I'll talk to you when you're done doing your video. I don't got time for this. I just got home off work. Don't talk to me. I love you.
Love you. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a compost or / peat moss spreader. I've been wanting this for maybe like a year and a half now. Just now getting into it. So let's go ahead. We already kind of opened the box already, you guys. So box is open. And first thing that comes out, and you have to love it, the instructions. Now, as y'all know, we reviewed the lawn roller, lawn rake, stuff like that. I loaned it to people. People are loving these type of products, helping out a lot. I'm helping out a lot of people with their lawns. So I actually have the tools that they can use for their lawns. So with that being said, here's another tool. If you want to do like a top dressing, put some not refurbished. What am I talking about? Not refurbished, but if you want to put a top dressing out like compost, topsoil, if you want to put a nice top dressing across your lawn, then the compost spreader is the thing that you will need. No scratches, no defects. All right, nice. I actually kind of don't want to put it on the cement. Let me use this. No. Oh, well, I could use the paper that comes with it. All right, so I don't want to scratch it up, even though it's going to get scratched up anyway, but it's mainly going to be used in the lawn, so it won't be that scratched up. So we got one side right here, two. Oh, what was I? Oh yeah, so I actually, my bad. So I actually seen somebody do a DIY with this, and if you DIY this, it's actually a lot of work, you guys. So for the price of this, is just go ahead and buy one. To DIY it will be like a lot of effort, but you can do it if you want, whatever floats your boat. All right, now we got the handle here, two pipes here. Got to figure out what these go to. And that's it, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. We are going to do this install. The instructions are small, but I will go over the instructions with you to put this together, and we will do it all together. So, all right, you guys. So as y'all know on my channel, I don't just open boxes. I actually review products on this channel, you guys. So yeah. Ooh, it's a lot of little stuff. This is going to be a little tedious, but they gave us a nice little screwdriver, you guys. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this. We got our parts out. Now, is the parts labeled? MZ. Let's see. MZ. Is there an MZ on here? That's going to be the question for us, you guys. We got 8.8. So maybe this is M8. So they're saying there should be 11 of those. So we got 2 of these. That's the only thing I hate about these things. When you put these together, they don't really they should separate these in their own bag to let you know what is what. You're kind of on your own when it comes to this, so you have to figure it out yourself. And a lot of these are not the same size. Okay, these two are the same. So we have 6 holes right here. I don't like the instructions, you guys. I'm just going to be real honest with y'all. As simple as that, I don't like the instructions. So hopefully this thing functions right. Oh my goodness, the instructions are terrible. We got 3 holes right here. It says join 1 and 2. So there is no numbers on this, you guys. I'm gonna try not to give up on y'all. I'm gonna try not to. So the wheel has 2 hole slots. It says connect 1, 2 round plates with mesh. All right, so it says use the M4 times 10 screws. So M4 times, it look like little, it's not really screws, it look like pins. And that's what happens when they don't label, you guys. So you kind of have to guess. Here you go. That's what you're working with. So there's no separation of what screws is what. So you kind of have to put all the screws out, count them out to see what is what. All right, so I'm going to use these real small ones. It's about 8 of them, but they telling us to use 6. Well, it's saying 6 on the part list. But they don't look like these screws. So I'm gonna show you what the parts list look like, and this is like the smallest things that I have, and they are fully threaded. But what they saying to install is like a smooth and then like a partial thread. This is a headache already, but I don't want to return this, so I want to keep this one. So right here we have our hinges. Now it don't say install these really small washers, but I think I'm supposed to install the washers. I hope I'm doing this right, you guys. I really don't want to be doing this wrong. Now we're gonna do the same thing with this side. I'm just hooking one screw up, you guys, because I wanna make sure I'm doing this right. All right, so we got that going on. Now I only installed one screw, it's the little screw, and then I installed the washer. So right there, I just installed one of the really small screws in the washer. So right there we have our hinge action. And you know what's better? Even if you look at the paper instructions where it just shows you the whole diagram of everything, that actually looks better. But when you're trying to read the actual instructions, it's like, what are y'all trying to do here to me? And what we're gonna do is we're going to put the wheel on the side how it's supposed to go. And I'm going to save this. And we are going to put a screw in this thing. All right. Now, the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to basically guess which screw goes where by feeling the sides of the hole and seeing if it goes through the thread very well. A lot of these screws are different sizes, so that's a way that we can tell what goes to what. So y'all see this lock-in clip? Make sure you install this side to the hinge. You have a hole right here and then a hole right here, which is further distance away. You got 2 holes, which is close distance. So this will be on your opening side where you put in your compost or your peat moss. All right, you guys, we're doing this ourselves. Forget the instructions, okay? The instructions are terrible. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing to this video because this is a long video right here, you guys. So we got that one, just like we said, and this one locks in. Now we are going to install the other screw in right here. Mini screwdriver they gave us, whatever works, right? I tell all the people that I work with, business partners and stuff, that my stuff goes on video, so I can't just say everything works. So with that being said, I am honest as possible. All right, well, I'm not as possible, I'm just honest, to be honest. All right, where did I leave off at? Okay, we're gonna put the third one on. We will get through this install. It's so closed in over this side and there's a bigger gap over this side. And y'all can let me know in the comments if most peat moss spreaders or compost spreaders are like that. Not really flush when it comes to the circle of it. So I actually have to push back and forth and then loosen the other side. So make sure you don't tighten everything up. I'm just trying to get through this positively, trying to be as positive as possible. All right. Whew. That was a lot of work. That was a lot of work. So I might go ahead and put the rest on. So it's okay. I know I'm complaining a lot, but I get frustrated when builds don't go together the way I want it to go together. All right, you guys, all screws are in. Once again, it's kind of easier to read this part where it just shows you everything. But if you read this side over here, it's kind of confusing. Well, it is confusing. part 8, part 7. Goes right on in. Oh, and you can adjust. The one with the wing nuts. We got 2 washers. Put the washer in. The butterfly or wing nut, whatever you call it. All right, so what I need to do is I need to get a wrench and then hold both sides. Put that bolt through. Big washer, the regular nut. We're gonna put the regular nut on. All right, washer. Gonna put the arm on there. Lean that there. Washer. And then we have the nut with the little blue washer in there. Only thing I need to do is just tighten this some. All right, so where's the hole at? Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna run into one of these situations again. All right, the hole is there, but it don't want to go all the way in, and it's doing nothing but scratching. See, it don't want to go all the way into the hole. You have to put a lot of force, and this is not. Look at that. Look how much scratching of the paint I have to take off to get this up. Y'all can't see it, I know. This is crazy. This is insane. And it won't even go back in. Now it's in. I had to scratch a lot of paint off for it to get in. What screws go into this thing? Before I go crazy. You need a lot of strength for this thing. Wow. All right, it's in. So it's best to grab it from the top to have more leverage, wiggling it. Woo. Okay, everyone, so the roller rolls pretty good. I am not going to put no peat moss in here right now. Right now the grass is dormant, so there's really no point in me putting no peat moss out here, especially if I didn't do no reseeding or anything. So I'm just showing y'all basically the final form of this thing. And I have to say, it rolls very easy, nice and easy. So yes, I am ready for overseeding, you guys. But as you know, we are going to do some aeration, and yeah, we are going to have fun. So definitely stay tuned for some lawn vlogs coming up this August, September, October, and November. So yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe.